Welcome to Barrack Mitsubishi. My name is Nathan and today we're doing a walk-around video of a 2016 Triton Exceed. Now what we'll do is we'll go through the features that this car has to offer and also the condition of this car. Starting off at the front end, first thing you notice is beautiful Mitsubishi badging with this tinted bonnet protector right in the front with the Triton badging right in the middle. Lets everyone else know that you are driving a Triton. Obviously you've got that very iconic front end that Mitsubishi has gone for as well. One thing you do notice in the front as well is the nudge bar. You can see that the previous owner has taken every possible need to protect the actual car itself. You've got your tinted weather shield to protect from stone chips, as well as a nudge bar to protect that front bar from any possible damage as well. Now, being the Exceed model, it does come with slightly extra features, such as the fog lights in the actual front bar, whereas the previous models just have a standard plastic cap on top. And you've got this really big, beautiful, bold headlights with the projector globes inside. You do also have your indicator built in just inside the headlight there as well. Condition of the front bar is pretty good. You do have some minor stone chips and some minor scratch, very minor superficial scratching, but for the most part, the actual front of the car presents really well. As we come across to the first alloy wheel, you can see this really nice design that Mitsubishi has gone for in the Triton with these diamonds just on the outside to signify it being a Mitsubishi, as well as this dual tone chrome and black finish on the rim. It does come with this really nice TONNEAU all-terrain tires as well, plenty of tread on the tires, just so you're aware. Coming across the side of the car, as you can see, it is fitted with a step as well. Being a high car, four-wheel drive does help when you are getting in and out of the car. Does also come with color match chrome side mirrors and door handles. Adds a little bit of character to the side of the car, breaks up the color and does make it look a little bit classy as well. You do get the indicator built into the side mirror. It does elevate the indicator and give extra visibility to the drivers around you, as well as clear up this actual quarter panel. Now, taking a look inside, car is actually fitted with tint. It does come with tint, so you are saving a little bit of money on that, and obviously there's a lot of benefit to actually having tint. Now, this is a keyless entry car. You can just tap the button and the side mirrors do pull out as well. If you do lock it, the side mirrors do tuck in case you are parked on the side of the road. Opening up the driver's side door, taking a look at the inside. As you can see, the condition of the inside is pretty well. It has been used as a work car, so you can see that it does have its normal general wear and tear and usage, but the actual condition of the car is quite great. The bolsters present in very good condition, no damage to the actual seats, no tears or any cracks on the leather, few minor marks on this side, but the actual leather presents really well. No tears on the carpet and no marks on the actual paintwork here. Slight scratches, but for the most part it does present quite well. And on the door here, where we can get lazy and kick it open, no major marks or damage to the actual door. Coming across the side, can see how beautiful the paintwork actually presents. Like I said, it had been used as a work car, but it's been looked after quite well. The previous owner has taken every precaution. Coming over to the second alloy, again, great condition on the rim, very minor. No, that's not, it's just glue. So the second alloy actually presents in really good condition, and again, plenty of tread on these all-terrain tires. Coming across the back, it is a dual cab ute. You do get the soft tonneau cover and the sports bars fitted onto the rear. It does give that extra stability onto the back end. Taking a look at the tailgate of the car, first thing you notice, beautiful Mitsubishi badging right in the middle there. It does also come fitted with a tow bar, so again, you're saving a little bit of extra cash here, and the previous owner has done fitted everything that's required for the car. Do get this high mounted brake light, as well as a rear view camera just onto the right side, left side of the car, sorry. Being that we drive on the right side, does give that extra coverage to this side of the car when you are reversing. Now you can just pop the tonneau cover just open like this. Just come off nice and easy. You can drop the tailgate. You can see it is fitted with a tub liner as well as an extra mat. So the previous owner has done a great job in looking after this car. He's really put in the money to protect his asset. You can see plenty of space, no major marks of damage to the actual tub liner as well. Close this up. Coming across the passenger side of the car, one thing I will note is the fuel cap is on the passenger side of the car, being the safe side of the car. In case you do get stuck on the side of the road, you are protected from oncoming traffic as well. Taking a look at the third alloy, again, one that gets damaged the most really, is actually in very good condition, no major marks of damage and plenty of tread on these TONNEAU all-terrain tires. Coming across the side of the car, great condition, no scratches or actual damage to the actual paintwork, very minor Nope, not actually a stone chip, just some stuff on the top of the paint. So again, great condition on the car. One thing I do recommend is you speak to us about our glass coat option. Now what that does provide is a lifetime warranty on this beautiful paintwork, and the previous owner has done a great job in protecting it. I suggest you do as well, and speak to us about the package options that we offer here. Coming across to the last alloy, again, just if I am being picky, nope, just some dust. Again, great condition on the rims, no major damage or any marks left on the rims, and plenty of tread on these tires. As you can see guys, the car presents really well and is a great value for money car as well. What we'll do now is pop the bonnet and take a look at the engine bay. Taking a look inside this beautiful engine bay, as you can see, the first thing you notice is the beautiful turbo there. Just like to point that out. Now this is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre turbo diesel motor. It is fitted with a 5-speed automatic gearbox. This car does have a 5-star ANCAP rating as well, with 7 airbags, so plenty of protection for everyone inside the cabin. Now this motor produces 133 kilowatts at 3,500 RPM with 430 Newton meters torque, so plenty of towing power behind the Triton here. Like I said, it is fitted with a 5-speed automatic gearbox. Now this is a diesel motor. It does have a 75 litre capacity fuel tank. Now that this motor has a combined fuel consumption of about 7.6 litres per 100 kilometers, with an average fuel distance of about 987 kilometers on a full tank, depending on how you drive. All right, now taking a look inside the driver's seat of this Triton Exceed. Now it is very beautifully laid out, very simple to use, big bold buttons as well, makes it really nice and clear for the driver and the passengers in the car. Now starting off on the driver's side door, you get this really nice black cloth armrest here. It does have all your power window settings, with your driver's side being fully automatic and the rest being your standard manual controls. Now the door card is actually a vinyl, so it does make it very easy to clean and very low maintenance car, being ideally a very good work vehicle. Now taking a look on the right side of the steering wheel, it is a keyless start, so you do get your push start button just over here. On the right of that are your power mirror settings. Now you can just tuck the mirrors in with the button here if you did want to, in case you do park on the side of the road, and you got your toggle to adjust it. Just below that is your traction control button, which you can turn on and off, and your little toggle to adjust the height of your actual headlights in case you are towing something and it does tilt your headlights. Now taking a look on the steering column, on the right hand stalk you do get your headlight controls. Now it is automatic, so you can just leave it in automatic and the car's going to do everything for you. Makes it nice and easy for you. On the left hand stalk are all your wiper and washer fluids. Again, it's automatic, being the Exceed model, so you can just leave it in automatic and the car's just going to do everything for you. Now as you can see, fitted just behind that are your paddle shifters. I will touch on that in a minute, but it is mounted to your steering column, which does have the benefit of being stationary when you are actually turning. It makes it really easy to switch through your gears without getting confused. Now what we have here is a leather stitched steering wheel. It does have very slight wear, but the actual steering wheel is in very good condition, with no tears or actual damage to the steering wheel. Taking a look, you get really nice Mitsubishi badging right in the middle there. And on the right hand side are all your cruise control options, and on the left hand side all your media controls with your Bluetooth connectivity controls for your answer and your reject, as well as your volume and mode to flick through the different options in your head unit. Now coming across to the center console, do get this really nice big touchscreen head unit. It does have inbuilt maps as well as your Bluetooth connectivity and AM and FM radio, as well as your digital radio. Now coming just below that is your dual climate control buttons. Now they are hard buttons, and like I said, dual climate control, so driver and passenger can have their own settings in case you cannot agree with your passenger, which does happen in most cases. Now just under that is your hazards button as well, and a little indicator for all your seat belts for the passengers that are not wearing seat belts. Under that is your rear diff lock control, as well as a little USB port and a cigarette lighter as well. However, we don't encourage people smoking inside the cars. Just below that is a little bit of storage. Now you can just flick this cap off and it does add a little bit of extra space in case you had something a bit bigger to fit in there. Just below that, get this really nice gloss panel with your leather stitched gear shifter. Now you can flick it into reverse and you do get this really nice clear rear view camera. It does have the guiding lines as well as your tow bar just under there, so it does make it easy when you are backing up to something. Really nice clear camera. Now with the transmission, you do get your sports shift. Now you can just flick it across and you can switch through your gears manually, or you could just leave it in drive and the car will do everything for you. Just below that is Mitsubishi's signature four-wheel drive select system. Now you can switch into four-wheel drive going up to 100 kilometers. Obviously the benefit of that is you don't need to pull over on the side of the road going up to the mountains. You see a lot of people pulled over on the side in the cold. Benefit of this, you can just switch over on the fly. So great technology by Mitsubishi. Just below that, two cup holders, and you get your manual handbrake. as well as this really nice vinyl center console. Do get a little bit of storage under here for your keys or loose change, and under that again plenty of storage under there, which does have a 12 volt input as well for any added charging. Now, being the Exceed model, it is fitted with the leather seats, so very comfortable seats on the driver, passenger and the rear seats, as well as your ISO points for car seats in the back seat as well. Now what I get the camera person to do is pan around and show you the condition of the actual car and show how well it really presents on the inside. Thank you for watching this walk around video of this 2016 Triton Exceed. Now, if you did have any questions about the car or wanted to test drive, the number to dial is 99070555. Now, just before I go, as I mentioned before, please talk to us about the glass coat options that we do offer here. It does give a lifetime warranty on this beautiful paintwork, as well as the premium mechanical protection plan. Now, what that offers is a 10 years roadside assistance with 5 years extended protection on 181 electrical and mechanical components of this car. Now, that does, like I said, 10 years roadside assistance with unlimited claims up to $3,600. Now, these are at an additional cost. However, if you are using our in-house finance, love to introduce you to our business managers, Julie and Mario, who show just how minimal this will affect your repayments. Now, lastly, please check out our Google reviews. With over 4.8 stars and over 1,000 reviews, gives you the assurance that you are dealing with the right people with the right kind of business. Now, like I said, the number to dial is 99070555. My name is Nathan. Thank you for watching.